Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use green bamboo plant food. Giving your bamboo the right nutrients is essential for its vibrant growth and overall health. This specialized plant food is designed to provide everything your bamboo needs to thrive, ensuring lush foliage and strong culms. We'll go over the simple steps to incorporate this into your plant care routine, making it easy for even beginner gardeners to achieve fantastic results. Let's get started on nurturing your beautiful bamboo. Knowing when and how much to fertilize is key to success. Generally, it's best to apply green bamboo plant food during the active growing season, typically in spring and early summer. For dosage, always refer to the product label, as it provides specific instructions based on the size and type of your bamboo. A common guideline is to use about 1 tablespoon per square foot of plant area, applied every 2 to 3 months. This ensures your bamboo receives a steady supply of nutrients without over-fertilization. Applying green bamboo plant food is straightforward. First, ensure the soil around your bamboo is moist, but not waterlogged. Sprinkle the recommended amount of granules evenly around the base of the plant, extending out to the drip line. Gently work the granules into the top inch or 2 of soil, being careful not to damage shallow roots. After application, water thoroughly. This helps dissolve the nutrients and carry them down to the root system, making them readily available for your bamboo to absorb. By following these easy steps, you'll be well on your way to enjoying healthy, vibrant bamboo. Regular use of green bamboo plant food promotes robust growth, enhances the lush green color of the leaves, and strengthens the culms, making your bamboo more resilient. Remember to fertilize during the growing season, use the correct dosage, and water well after application. With a little consistent care, your bamboo will flourish, adding a beautiful, serene touch to your garden for years to come. Happy gardening!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.